Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with JTech. Yeah.
Boom.
Cashman.
Congratulations, sir.
Hey, same to you.
World Series champs.
You see it right here.
You see it what it is. You see that right there. That's success. That's winning.
That's
and
big.
so the Braves won.
They did.
Now we got to tell the people how to follow the money.
We do.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Pivot Point Investors. We're talking about those World Series champs, Atlanta Braves.
That's right.
Now we got to follow the money. Let's get it. I'm AC Cash, and this is
JD.
And we're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the average investor grow his nest egg. And hey, today we're doing a little crowing, but we're doing some educating. We're talking about these Atlanta Braves.
World champs.
World Series champs. Yeah, that doesn't happen every day. It's been how many years?
Since 95, man.
26 years since we won this party. And now we're back.
That's right.
When people win, people follow winners.
That's right.
And with these Atlanta Braves, we're going to talk to you about following the money.
That's right.
That's a good topic?
Yes.
We got to follow the money because people follow winners.
That's right.
And we want you to be a winner, so follow the winners.
That's right.
Pivot Point Investors. That's what we're here to do.
That is.
You ready to talk about it?
Let's talk about it.
Hey, it's two kind of ways in this scenario. We're talking about following the money.
That's right.
When you talk about this city, we got to talk about the ATL. That's a lot of things happening in the ATL.
It's a lot.
So we're going to cover that, and then at the same time, everything that's happening, there's some engine behind it. There's some company, there's some guy, there's some woman motivating this thing to move forward.
That's
and what happens to the stock?
Hey, it goes up.
It goes up, and then it's worth what?
A lot of money.
Oh,
Millions,
man,
billions.
Billions and billions.
Yes,
We're doing it here in the ATL.
Absolutely.
Okay, so where you want to kick off this party?
Well, let's talk about the Braves,
Braves,
because the Braves, most of you may not know that the Braves are a publicly traded company.
Oh, are they?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
So, Liberty Sirius XM Group, Series B. That's a lot of words, right? But the stock ticker is LSXMB. It's traded on NASDAQ, right? And so the current share price is a little bit over $56, $56.20 a share.
Okay.
And the 52-week high was $57.46. So it's right around where it was. Now the 52-week low was in the 30s. It was like $37 and some change. So that was it's moved a lot since the Braves won, right?
Okay, all right. And if you're following the money, hey, follow those Braves.
Absolutely. So one more point on, Liberty Sirius is it was founded in 1991. They actually own the Braves. They own Sirius XM satellite radio.
I pay my subscription price.
That's right. That's right. You do. Yeah, we roll it and listen to it. So and they own Formula One. So that's the racing. Yeah,
that's good stuff. So they're covering a lot of angles with that, and they're pushing winners.
Absolutely.
They're messing with the Bravos.
Hey man, that's a multi-billion-dollar business. So and who knew it was publicly traded?
That's right. But if you're following the money, now you know.
Absolutely.
Okay. Who else we're talking about?
We're going to talk about another major partner. They play at Truist Park.
Truist, Truist.
They pay, and so at Truist Park, and so that's a large bank conglomerate, and there was SunTrust Bank. And another bank that slips my mind right now, they merged together and they created this new Truist Financial Corp. So it is TFC.
Okay, TFC.
And so the current stock price, $64.24 a share. The market capitalization is over $85 billion. Would it be?
They're a big boy.
Oh yeah. And the 52-week high was $65.42. So it's very close to the 52-week high right now.
Okay.
So they on a high because of the Braves partnership too, I'm sure.
Okay. But they're doing good things.
They're doing good things. Financials through the roof.
Okay.
They had an incredible earnings double-digit revenue, percent-wise. Like everything was up. Everything was green looking at it. So it's a very solid company.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, and we can cover another one, but let's talk about the other part of it. The other thing that's interesting to me, because you know, what do I love?
Baseball.
Oh, what do I love about this land? About
and
this
real estate.
Don't get it twisted.
Yeah. He's still a real estate man.
Right.
Yeah.
And so when we talk about that, if we're following the money, we're following winners. We understand that people like to be around successful places.
Yeah.
Places that are bustling, places that people are talking about.
Yeah,
and right now, we're sitting here in one of our locations, and we're probably 100 feet away. They're filming a movie.
Absolutely.
An Adam Sandler movie right across the street. And that's because they like the area.
That's
they
right.
see things are growing. And so when that happens, more people come. And when people come, the money comes.
Absolutely.
And so we're talking about following this money. We're talking about these Bravos.
Yeah.
That's right. And so as that moves, you got to understand why people are coming.
That's right.
Now, when you talk about Atlanta, it's a gem of the South.
Yeah.
You know, we got our first black mayor.
Yeah, that
Who was the first black mayor, sir?
Maynard Jackson.
Maynard Jackson. And what college did that man go to?
Morehouse
He
College.
went to Morehouse College. That's
right.
right. He became the first black mayor of a major southern city.
That's right.
At the age of 35.
That's right.
You know, and those things just and we got the busiest airport in the nation.
Yeah.
Busiest airport. And so it's what's the name of it?
Hartsfield Jackson.
Hartsfield Jackson. This first black mayor got his name on the airport. So all of those things are part of progress, part of the things that are happening. So here we talk about a movie right up the street. We talk about the busiest airport in the world.
Yeah.
We're talking about major companies coming to the city. Give me the first company that I talked to you about.
Oh man,
in
it's
this
a bunch
city.
of Microsoft.
Microsoft, they're putting down major roots.
Yeah,
And what was it?
90-acre campus.
90-acre campus here in Atlanta to bring their technology people here.
Absolutely.
Give me that next one we talking
got
about.
Cisco.
Cisco. Now they're doing big things.
700
Cisco,
jobs.
700 jobs. Bring technology jobs.
High-paying jobs.
There you go.
Absolutely.
That's right. So
Absolutely.
they got people with the smarts coming to town.
Yes.
Okay.
And then another one, Airbnb.
Airbnb.
They want to put a technical hub here.
That's right.
So additional high-paying jobs.
That's right. Now, what happens? Where do high-paying job people want to live?
Nice areas.
Nice areas, escalated. They don't care about, is it up 10%, 5%?
Yeah.
They want to be around the jobs.
That's right.
They're not flying in or driving 100 miles. They're saying, let me get in the middle of the action.
That's
and
right.
so that's why the numbers are going up in Atlanta.
Yeah.
And our median prices in Atlanta are still reasonable.
There you go.
In the last 5 years, they've gone up 50%. 50% in the last 5 years. So we're talking about it was in the 200s.
Yeah.
Now, the median price of a home in Atlanta is about $330,000.
That's right.
And so, with that kind of movement, it's still reasonably priced.
Absolutely.
I know my friends in Miami are saying, man, $330,000, that's for the average dude.
Yeah.
I can do something with 500, with 400, and have a significant house here.
Absolutely.
And the price will go up.
That's right.
We're talking about following the money.
Always.
We're trying
always.
we need to shut the city down. Because
Hey,
there's a
man.
whole lot of people coming.
It is.
What do you
man.
think? We should just stop
Hey
and not?
man, it's busy because traffic's gonna be
Traffic's
worse.
crazy,
and,
yeah.
You know, all those things. We
All
don't
of
want to turn into New York, LA style.
Yeah.
You know,
And then they're
so-
going to come from whatever bandwagon they were riding on, try to ride with these Broncos.
Yeah. Nah. We full with that. If you
Yeah,
want
we
with
full.
us,
We
you can't get
you
with
can't
us.
jump on
yeah,
that.
That's right. That's
Hey,
right.
but it's still, we're talking about progress. We're talking about following the winners.
That's right.
We're talking about winning stocks.
Yep.
We're talking about winning companies.
Absolutely.
And the doggone real estate is through the
Yeah.
roof.
Yeah.
And it's still reasonable.
Yes.
And that's what people need to understand when they talk
Absolutely.
about Atlanta.
Yeah.
So we're going to jump back to real estate, but right now let's go back to, let's talk about these stocks.
Yeah.
You know, we're talking
Let me
about.
give you one more.
Give me one.
I'm gonna give you one more. Now this is one. Hey, we love the kids, kid friendly, definitely.
Yeah.
But look, Anheuser-Busch.
All right.
You know,
Kids
hey,
don't drink and drive.
That's
Don't
right.
drink. Don't
That's
drink.
right. Don't
Okay.
drink it all.
All
21.
That's right.
So, but Anheuser-Busch, Bud, that's the stock ticker, BUD. I mean, hey, baseball, hot dogs. We could have gone cold, but hey, they drink beers at baseball games.
Yeah,
so
they do.
That's the thing.
But
So,
Coca-Cola, where's the hub?
oh, it's in Atlanta.
In Atlanta.
It's here.
That's
It's
right.
Here. It's
Okay.
here. So current stock price a little bit over $60 a share. 52-week high was $79.67.
Okay.
And it had a blowout quarter. I mean, revenue was $14.27 billion,
Right.
and that was up over 11%. So you're talking about almost 12%. You know, just one quarter. That's a lot of money, a lot of movement, man.
A lot of money.
So that's a lot of beers. That's a lot of $8, $10, $12 beers rolling at the Braves game. So
that's
you know,
significant, and it's steady.
Absolutely.
Been doing it for years. There's nothing new about Bud, you know. So we're following the money.
Absolutely.
Following the money.
Now I'm gonna give them an honorable mention. We're not gonna go all into it before we switch back to real estate.
Okay.
But honorable mention. Some of you may not know. Who owns the Rawlings? Rawlings company makes the baseballs,
That's
right?
That's
so all those baseballs, foul balls going out, they got to manufacture those. Major League Baseball pays for those. The teams pay into that pool for Major League Baseball to get that contract with Rawlings.
Okay.
Now, Newell, Newell, Newell owns Rawlings. They purchased Rawlings. Newell is a publicly traded company. So I'm gonna give you that little tidbit. We'll probably cover Newell a little bit later because I actually like what I saw.
When I dig a little deeper on that.
Absolutely.
Sounds good.
So we putting a pin on that one, but they heard it at Pivot Point first,
yes,
right?
They did. Yes,
that's
they
right.
did.
That's right.
Okay.
So
now,
what you got?
Are we giving them stock advice?
No, man. We just talking about winners, and the
Talking
Braves
about
just winning the World Series.
Bravos.
So
that's
all
right.
we're talking about.
Okay, that's good stuff, and they're following that. So on this real estate, I know I've been giving you a lot of gems, behind the scenes. So tell me what else you're learning about this real estate.
So I learned that it's a renter, that even the renters market. So if you're a landlord,
that's right,
and you're talking about 38%, over 38% increase over the last 5 years.
That's right. That's significant. So whichever side you're on, you're the new guy trying to buy and expand, or you're a person that has property already and you're holding, trying to get it escalated.
That's right.
Hey, it's still moving significantly.
Absolutely.
And not too crazy. So it's not pricing renters out of the market. It's just steadily appreciating.
That's right.
That's good action.
That's what you want.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah. So recap real quick, you know, because we didn't hit them with a lot of information.
Yeah, okay.
So World Series, the Braves the winners.
Bravos.
We're the winners, right? So, but then winning, you got the companies coming. They want to come.
They're coming. They're from. Did we give them all? Give me another one. One more.
I can give them one more. So it's Google. So Google's here.
Google, that's a big one.
But Facebook is coming.
And
Or
Facebook.
Meta now.
Oh, Meta, yeah. And not the basketball player.
No,
Not that
Meta
guy.
World Peace,
Okay.
but Meta. So
Meta.
that's a whole nother show and
That's
topic.
right.
You know?
That's right.
So,
And they're all coming. So we're talking technology companies. You're talking large companies. You know, Amazon is expanding steadily around here every day. Yeah. So those are significant movements in the city of Atlanta.
Absolutely.
So while we're hyping some stocks, while we're talking about real estate, we're talking about a place where you can look when you're trying to be an investor. I invest out of town. I'm doing something next month in South Florida and looking in some Alabama and doing some other stuff. But at the same time, right here in the ATL, we're still moving up.
That's
right. People call me every day, every week, wanting to know, is it still good to invest in Atlanta? The answer is yes. You got your information, your backing. It's a solid play.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
I interrupted you, sir.
No.
Okay.
Hey, look, that's enough. We can really put a pin in it, man. Like, we done gave him enough.
Yeah.
You know, it's a quick show. They got J-Tech. He's off jet set and doing what he's doing now. So, but we had to come to the people. We had to give it to them.
That's right, because we're holding it down, trying to help the people get what?
That's right. More money.
That's what we're talking about.
That's right.
But I know smart people have subscribed already. And man, without a hater in the neighborhood, we know they can share it with a friend. I mean, they got this Atlanta information, they got this World Series information, and they're gonna share it with a friend. I know that's what they're gonna do. Yeah. Hey, if you like what you're hearing, hey, subscribe, tell a friend, and then put your comment below.
Yeah, drop a comment,
smart people do smart things and share it with friends. That's right. Because next year they're gonna be on the bandwagon, acting like I've been riding with them the whole while. We know better than that.
Absolutely.
Hey, we might just close the city down. So you better jump on this week, this month, because 2022, we shutting it down.
That's right.
No more room in the inn.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah. Good stuff. Hey, you good?
I'm good, bro.
I'm feeling good about it. Hey, we talked the Bravos.
That's right.
We talked the stocks.
That's right.
We covered the real estate. So, hey, man, we're just going to shut it down right
there.
there.
Let's close
feeling
it
good
out.
about
I'm
it?
feeling good
Hey,
about
but at
it.
the same time, right here, they still need, if they want to get more insight into this stock and crypto world, they need to be getting this boom effect, man. This boom effect by JD Boom.
That's right.
And if you still want to get into this real estate game, the time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is today.
That's right.
So you can fool yourself if you want and think you're just going to grow some money or grow some appreciation or get some tax deductions or whatever out the thin air, or you can get into this real estate game and let your money multiply. And if you want that education, you got to get financial freedom through real estate investing.
That's right.
By AC Cash, Adrian Cox. I think they know.
Yeah, they know right now.
Okay, we appreciate the love we've been receiving so far.
Absolutely.
And we want to keep it rolling.
Yes.
You good with that, Boom?
I'm good.
Oh, man, I'm feeling good about it. Let's go out there and see what they're filming.
Hey, let's go Royal Billboards, man. These Hollywood execs, they in town. Let's go have fun.
They need to come holler at us,
Hey, man, for real.
That's what I'm talking
We need to be having our show now.
I'm feeling that.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Pivot Point Investors. I'm AC Cash. This is
JD.
Boom. And we want you to keep getting
more money.
So follow smart money, invest, save, and let's keep it rolling. About to hit 2022.
Let's
the folks
go.
better get ready because it's going to leave them behind.
It is.
Hey, jump on board, stay smart, keep investing. JD Boom, AC Cash, Pivot Point Investors. What else do they want?
Nothing. We out.
Hey, they got the winning duo with the trio on the side.
That's right.
We're going to keep going. Pivot Point Investors, we're out of here. Take care.